Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. I'm going to show you how to draw this pretty cool little graphic using the graph paper tool and using it a different way. I'm going to grab the graph paper tool that's underneath your polygon flyout, and we're going to hold down the control button. Now I had it set on 9 by 9. So if you look, I got really close. I want it to be 27 inches, so it'll be divisible by 9. I set my nudge factor on 3 inches. Now there's several ways you could do this. You could fill in the individual blocks, but I think it's almost easier. A lot of times you don't think about, well, you're gonna make doubles of things, but it doesn't really matter. So we made the first block. Let's group it together. Control D. Hit the plus key on your keyboard and leave a space. Now let's take both these and hit the plus key and go all the way to the right. And I think that did it. Now hit the plus key again and go down and go all the way to the right. I might have said right a while ago. Hit the plus key again, and go down. There you have it, that quick. Now, we still need 2 cubes, but what we're gonna do, we're gonna move this out of the way, and I'm nudging it, I'm not moving it. I'm gonna take my Smart Fill tool and I'm gonna get 2 new blocks far apart. I'm gonna go ahead and grab those. I'm gonna nudge them up top. And just remember, I'm nudging and not moving. And you could actually group these together, but we'll do them individually with the interactive fill tool. And I'm gonna put black. You don't want too much. So expand that out. Then grab that one and try to do the exact same thing so it'll look kind of even. Not quite even. That's pretty even. Now you want to group these together, Control G. And because we've nudged, we can move things around. So the first one is going to be right here. Control D. And I'm going to quit using Control D because it's going to put it in another spot here in a second. I'm going to hit the plus key and move over here. I think there's 4 going this direction. Hit the plus key and move it. No, I was right the first time. So there's 4 that direction. Now we need to make a duplicate of that and rotate it 90 degrees. And let's start right up here and hit the plus key. Go over to here, hit the plus key, go down to kind of like to the middle, hit the plus key, go down a couple and go there. You know what, I did something wrong right here. You know what, I didn't group those together a while ago. This actually needs to go there. There you go. Now there's 1 more of these. Hit the plus key and go there. And that's really all that's to it. Now we can get rid of our graph. There's a lot you could do with this. I'm just going to group it together. And I'm sorry, I should have really welded these pieces pre-hand. And then if you turn it at a 45-degree angle, it really, look how it changes it. And then let's bring in a black box. And it really emphasized the kind of like the over-under webbing of that. Anyway, hope that was a little bit of fun, and thank you for watching.